I promised a reaction video of As, so let's get into it. I haven't listened to it yet, I mean the whole song, so now I'm watching the music video and I'm sure it's editing, so you're not gonna see some elaborate editing thingies with the music video here, but you're gonna, yeah. I don't know if I can post it on Instagram due to copyright, but I'm gonna try. Why are you crying, bro? Okay, this is, wow. It's hot as fuck. That's why. I wanna cry, but like, Nova, you're so beautiful. Okay. Tomorrow is my grandma's death anniversary, so this hits hard, bro. This hits hard. I love the lyrics already, and the voice, and the music. Wait.
Are we meant to cross the dying lines and walk to promise together? I'm a distant defeatist, horizon will never forget how and where love is captured and drowned and laid in the fire. Captured and drowned and laid in the fire.
Bro, the transition to harmony. It looks like it's a live performance. I hope I can post this because copyright is shit. Bro, the lyrics are so good. Music video, it sounds like, it looks like the apocalypse, it looks like live performance at the apocalypse. I hate you so much for making me cry. Almost cry. But this is such a masterpiece, I cannot hate you. I love you so much.
I've been trying to grab the stars align the winds and hold it together.
This is a work of art. You just make such a great thing. The lyrics are great. The lyrics are heavenly. The visual. The music, everything just hits so great. But what's the plot of the music video? Why are you staring at something and crying? Why are people dragging you up? What's going on? Are you dead? Is someone dead? Wait, I just figured the colors are the random colors when you have transition between you three. Oh my god. Do I get to know what happened? We gotta talk! This is amazing! Heartbreaking! This is a work of art. Okay. It's already on the playlist, but it's definitely going to be more regular.